Okay, so we have the ad preview for Target 9/23 through 9/29. So let's see what we have here. So get an additional 10% off with these kitchen appliances. So the items that you see here, you're going to get an additional 10% off. Oh man, the Dyson V6 is $239.99, and then you get a free $30 Target gift card. Holy crap, that's good. So then it's at $209. And then do we get the additional 10% on the appliances? No, it says kitchen appliances, but this is a hot deal. Nicole, we might need to bite the bullet and buy our vacuums. We might need to do that. Good thing my husband's going to Vegas, so I kind of have a little bit of wiggle room with him. Buy me my vacuum. Or don't go to Vegas. No, I'm just kidding. Sort of. Okay, so the family size Cinnamon Toast Crunch. These guys are 2 for $7. We have printable $1 off 2 coupons and $1 back on 2 on Saving Star. So that makes these 2 for $5 or $2.50 each, and that's good for a family size. If you hear the Duggars in the background, that is what I am watching. Okay, so let's see. Personally speaking, I much prefer to do paper product deals and like house cold cleaners at our drugstores because we can get them for significantly cheaper. But when Target runs the spend 50, get 15 off, or spend 50, get a $15 Target gift card, I always think that the Up and Up brand paper products are always a good steal, as well as the laundry. Okay, so buy one, get one, 50% off of all plastic storage bins. So like a storage event. You're also going to see this type of sale in January. BOGO 50 on Old Pull bath towels, $19.99 threshold throws, 3 for $10 pillows. A great time to get throw blankets is Kohl's Black Friday sale. And Kohl's makes the best throw blankets. All this stuff you see here, all the festive decor, you guys, don't buy it now. Even this Hearth and Hand Magnolia collection, you know, they clearance their stuff out so quickly. So I would just wait. Okay, so costumes are starting at $20. You're going to now see a more supply in the Halloween costumes because they put more out after that 40% cartwheel. Oh, this is cute, the tractor. Okay, so $5 off when you spend $30 or more. Last year it was $25, or it was $5 off when you spend $20. Target. Okay, so it's gonna oh wow, it does include candy. So usually they don't include candy, but this time they are. What else? Some electronics. And I'll have this ad linked if you guys want to go ahead and look at it on your leisure. Like I said, I'm not a magician. I just Google Target ad and it pops up. So we got some toys. Buy 2, get 1 free Nerf. Target wants you to start thinking about Christmas, so you're going to see a lot of toy advertisements. 20% off of Disney books. Buy 1, get 1 20% of iTunes gift cards, so that's good if you do iTunes a lot. Oh, Star Wars. I think Llewellyn found clearance Star Wars bedding, if I'm not mistaken. I think she did. Next, Cat and Jack. Love Cat and Jack. $4 tees and leggings. I love when this deal rolls around. Cat and Jack tees. Cat and Jack is just such a fantastic Target brand. The clothes just last so long. Some more clothing deals. Honestly, always wait to buy Target clothes on clearance. Okay, so buy 4, get a $5 Target gift card. We're getting Tresemme coupons in our inserts. I need to, you know what? Let's go ahead and check Clip to Save. Because let's see, Tresemme is one that's being offered. So let's hop onto a new window. Let's go to Clip to Save. This is the site that I have ordered clipped coupons from way back when I first started couponing. Okay, latest coupons. So they should have them. Okay. Let's look at some couponing limits here. Tresemme. Okay, let's see. I just want to take a look. So St. Ive is a limit of 1. This is for CVS deal reference. Dove. Let's see. The Nexus, I'm just curious. We're just going to get curious here. Ooh. Identical 2 on the Nexus. That's nice. Sorry, I'm like doing like a random little tangent here. Let's see. Excludes. That's what I wanted to look to see if it exclude travel and trial, which it does, which I figured it would. Oops. Sorry, guys. I want to check the Tresemme coupon because let's see. These Unilever coupons keep changing, so I just want to make sure. Tresemme, where are you? Okay, here we go. Tresemme is a limit of 1, 2 identical coupons. So you can use 2 coupons here. Pretty sure that means we can use 2. Limit of, let's see, 1 coupon per purchase, maximum of 2 identical coupons in the shopping trip. Okay, that's what I wanted to look at. So Tresemme is included, so you can use 2 of those 5 off 2 coupons. So go ahead and buy 4 of them, then you can use 2 of those 5 off 2 coupons and then get that $5 Target gift card. That's probably going to be the best matchup you can do. I saw these clearanced at my store. The twin pack of Crest 3D Whites, they were clearance 50% off. Okay, so when you buy 3 coffee items listed, you're going to get a $5 Target gift card. So this is the Archer Farms bagged coffee and the K-Cups. And when you buy 3, you're going to save, they're $9.99 when you buy 3. We have those Ibotta offers for the Starbucks K-Cups. Okay. Let's see. Buy 10, get 1 free. Chobani yogurt. $5 Target gift card when you spend $15 or more in cheese, which is actually pretty good because cheese can get expensive, especially string cheese. 2 for $5, Market Pantry frozen pizza, Quest pizza. I think we have an insert coupon for Bertolli. So I'm going to show you guys how you can look to see if there are coupons. So I always go to coupontom.com. So I want to look for Bertolli. Okay, so Bertolli only has a Ibotta offer for the organic pasta, but that is how you could go ahead and look up a coupon. Oops, we don't want to see my page, do we? Okay, let's get back. Okay, back on track. Wow, look at all this Halloween candy. What is your favorite Halloween candy? I love the pumpkin Reese's, but it has to be the pumpkin. I don't like the regular Reese's. Like this guy right here, like it has to be the pumpkin. It just tastes so much better. And then I love their seasonal M&Ms that come out. And I love, oh my gosh, I love this apple caramel candy corn. It is delicious. All right, what else do we have here? Diapers, free $10 Target gift card when you buy 2. Infamil, $5 gift card when you buy 2. Honestly, I wouldn't do these unless you absolutely have to. For the formula, it's better to do it when it's spend 20, get 100, or when it's spend 100, get 20 back. That's usually the better deal. Okay. And we see that same diaper scenario all the time. About 3 times a month, we'll see the same promo. Buy 2, get 10 on the Pampers and Huggies brand diapers. Buy 1, get 1 15% off. I love the Method Squirt Mop in the wood for good. $5 Target gift card when you buy any of the pet items here. Looks like Up and Up brand is included, and there's 10% off Cartwheel, so that might be a good deal. Let's see. $5 gift card when you buy any 2. You could do Persil. We have that 2 off 1 coupon. You could pair it with the All and use the $1 off coupon, and maybe there'll be a saving star for All, but there is a saving star for Persil. So this is the Target ad, guys. So again, Target deals are going to be better on Sunday. Yeah, Target deals will be better on Sunday, and I want to go ahead and let you guys know I do have a blog. I've been trying to work on it, so ginaschweppe.com. I've had this blog for years, and it's kind of touch and go. YouTube is my main priority, so sometimes I get inspired for my blog, and sometimes I don't. It just depends. But if you are wanting to go ahead and subscribe to email updates, all you do is put in your email right here and then hit subscribe. And then you're going to be notified every single time I make a blog post, which I really am starting to work on this. It's definitely a goal of mine. But YouTube is something that comes first. So this is the ad, and thank you again to thecouponingcouple.com. This is where I always find my matchups, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you guys all later. Bye.